Have you ever felt so tired physically, emotionally, and mentally that standing up felt harder than falling down? That's why I choose the song Rise Up by Angeline. I choose this song because it reflects the quiet battles I face and the strength it takes to keep going even when everything feels heavy. Rise Up is a song about resilience, hope, and the unity in the face of an overwhelming adversity. The song reminds us that even when we feel weak, we still have the power to stand again. The message of the song is simple but strong. Rising up doesn't mean you're not tired. It means you choose to keep going despite being tired. This song matters because it gives hopes to people who feel unseen and unheard. This song connects to my life because I had moments when I felt overwhelmed by responsibilities, expectations, and self-doubt. There were days when I wanted to stop trying because everything felt too heavy. It's like the song says, strength doesn't always look loud or confident. Sometimes, strength is simply choosing to stand up again, even when no one is watching. Rise Up reminds me that my struggle do not define me. My courage does. Song teach me that it's okay to feel tired as long as I don't give up on myself. What I hope the audience remember is that everyone is fighting a battle. But sometimes the bravest thing you can do is rise again and again. Because even when the ground feels heavy, I will rise up.